to you! Are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. 真係乜都冇啦. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? Take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. But this week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That home Garton is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
No! 唔好要我講第二次啊！放開我啊！
快啲啦，我哋已經遲晒啦！
你挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎！我食就多過你食米啦！我知我係啱嘅。你有屎忽諗嘢㗎？
我話你知啊，你唔好再用啲咁嘅語同我講嘢啊！死埋一邊啦！係啊嘛？
識尊重㗎，我從來唔聽人講。
廢話，邊人聽啊？
Hey, you! You hungry, huh? Come here! Hey! Hey!
You want Reggie?
Come on! Let me show you around!
I'm looking for Ming. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
Hey, sexy man, you want new clothes?
Anything you need at the market, come talk to me.
All right, I'll take it.
食啊，多數啲，呢個要。Thank you, enjoy.
Come on! Let me show you around.
Head down, flaky, always good. Right?
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
嚇！我真係要咁做？
Ming, I got a message for you.
Stop!
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Fuck you!
做嘢喎！我俾你撞散啦，死仔！你趕住係死啊！唔知你得唔得啊？Hey, look out!
Get out of the fucking way, boy! Out of my way!
Coming through. Oh shit!
Oh, the best brand name.
Resistance, guys! Pick him out! 屌你老母臭閪啊 ！Fuck you up! Fucking with the wrong crowd. Somebody fucking kill him, please! Dog Guy's gonna kill you! Fuck Dog Eyes! Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it.
Okay, but please, make sure Dog Eyes doesn't kill me.
Fuck! Hey, watch it.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yi. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But, sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yi.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad, and not only is it against
for God's
protocol...
sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are a few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is, hmm?
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.